What's poppin', Diva gang? How are y'all doing today? So today we're gonna be making my 100th order. We're making this style here. Sugar Baby is what it's called. I do sell these on my website. These were the other two sets that were part of the order. That top one is Heeeyyyyyy and that bottom one is called Vatican. And my customer requested long square nails for this set, and I just want to shout out to you, Melissa, because you've been here since day motherfucking one. You're like my biggest supporter, and I just love you, sis. And it's just so funny to me. You're my first order, my very first order, but you're also my 100th order. Like, you mean so much to me. I appreciate you so much, and I love you so much. Anyways, so I'm doing my regular prep at this point. I just applied some primer, and I'm also applying a base coat and carrying that for 60 seconds. Yeah, nothing unusual happening here. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I create my white smoky marble nails. And this is a technique that I did come up with myself, so I hope some of you find it helpful, because I know it could be hard to get that real nice smoky look with just gel polish. So I'm showing you how to do that today. I'm using 1 coat of milky white gel polish, and I put that on the thumb and ring fingers. Now I'm using this nudie peanut butter color from the Beatles. This is number 942. It's just a nude shade, and I'm going in with that on the pointer and middle fingers. Y'all have seen me use this color before. Look at that, the magic of editing. We already got our 2 coats. So I did 2 coats of that peanut butter color on each hand, and I only did 1 coat of the milky color. You only need 1, okay? So then I just put some splotches of white gel polish on the marble nails, because this is going to be the base for our marble design. Now I'm going in very randomly with some acetone, and I'm kind of just spreading the polish out at this point. I'm spreading it out. I'm helping to get that nice marble foundation. As you can see, the nails look really cloudy. That's what I want. So look, I'm gonna let y'all watch one more time. I just kind of did some big random dots all over the nails, and then I spread it out with some acetone. Make sure that you use acetone. You can use alcohol, but in my personal experience, alcohol really doesn't work all that well. So that's why I decided to go in and use acetone, because I just feel like it helps the polish spread out more. Now I'm going in again with some white gel polish, but this time I'm taking a thin detail brush and I'm painting some haphazard lines over the top of my marble nails. This is going to be like the next layer of our marble. You know how marble kind of looks like layered, and some of the lines are deeper set in than others? This is going to be kind of like our top layer. So I went in and I painted those lines. It doesn't have to be perfect, just paint them randomly and haphazardly. But instead of a tapping motion like I did before, I'm doing more of like a tracing motion. I'm tracing the lines at this point, if you get my drift. You can kind of just watch and see what I'm doing here. Pretty self-explanatory. So I do want to take this time again to say thank you to you, Melissa. I love you so much. I miss you. And I just want to thank you again for being my first and my 100th customer, or my 100th order rather. I appreciate you, and it's been a journey thus far. I've had my business since August 10th, 2020, and so we're coming on a year, and I have something really special planned for the anniversary month of my business. So make sure you're subscribed to me, and make sure you stay tuned, all right? Because I have something really big and really special planned. Yeah, so it's been a journey, man. This is my first time running a business on my own, and I'm also a college student, so there's been a lot of learning going on. Although I feel so much more knowledgeable, I feel so much more confident in my skills and abilities, and I'm just grateful. You know, I feel like I did this at a really good point in my life. I don't have children. I'm not married. I don't have any looming responsibilities other than finishing school and supporting myself. So I feel like this was a great time for me to take this risk and do this venture. And it's something that I genuinely love and I enjoy doing. And I'm just really excited to see where it goes. So yeah, I just wanted to give that kind of little message of encouragement, as well as a big thank you to all of my supporters. I need you all so much, and I appreciate you so much, and I love you even much more. So yeah, not gonna get mushy, but I did just want to let you all know how much I appreciate you. So now we're doing the bling nail. The bling nail, it's some pretty simple bling, but it's still really cute. This bling is on the middle finger, and I'm using 2 gold alloy pieces and some AB rhinestones, AB flatbacks, and that one big AB flatback there. But yeah, nothing like crazy going on here. I'm just doing the bling application, and she did tell me, she didn't say that she was going to wear this particular set, but she did tell me that she placed this order specifically because she was hoping to wear one of these sets for her graduation. And I'm so honored, first of all, let me just say, to be your go-to and to be a part of that. That's really beautiful to me. I can't wait for graduation, y'all. I already have my look in my head. I already know what type of vibe I'm going for. I'm so excited for my graduation. And it's crazy because, you know, because of COVID and stuff, they can't really do it the same way that they used to always do it. So I was pretty ambivalent about it for a while, but now I am pretty excited just to walk across the stage, bring it full circle, and I know I'll really regret it if I don't. So stay tuned for that, because I'll probably be vlogging a little bit of that experience, and just talking a little bit about what it's been like owning and running a business and being a college student. So stay tuned for all of that. So now I'm going in with these Chanel stickers, gold Chanel stickers, and I'm just placing the Chanel logo and then also the word Chanel at the bottom of the index finger. And when I came up with this design, this was something that I came up with myself. All of my designs are original. Not to say that I don't draw inspiration from different trends and things like that, but all of my designs are original. And I just wanted something really cute and girly, something for like the classy girl about town for these. Something simple, but you still want to get noticed. I feel like these nails are perfect for that. Again, these are called Sugar Baby, and you can find them on my website. Link is in the description. So now I'm going to be attaching some gold foil to those marble pieces just because it adds to the gold effect of the Chanel stickers. And I just went and laid down a nice thin coat of base coat, and I didn't cure it. I did not cure it yet. And while I still had that wet layer, I went and put some of that foil in just like random places. I didn't want to cover up the marble work too much, so I just put like some little pieces here and there, which is what you see me doing here. And then I went in and I just patted them down and made sure they were flat. And then I just did the same thing, repeated the process on the other hand. I really love these watch me work, make an order with me type videos. I'm going to start doing some more like businessy related videos, because I know there's a lot of you that either want help with your press-on nail business or advice on doing a press-on nail business. I'm top coating right here, by the way. I've been trying to kind of wait until my following is a little bit bigger, because, you know, I want to seem like I know what I'm talking about, and I also want to gain some more experience myself. So, but that'll be coming soon. And I know you're probably wondering, girl, what the hell are you doing with this pinky finger? Well, I'm gonna show ya. Those pinky fingers are actually gonna be some holographic raw sugar nails, and I'm gonna show you how I did that right about now. I just took this piece of paper because I don't want to waste any of my glitter. So I went in with some top coat, and I just did like a nice juicy layer of that. And then I'm going in with my tried and true Glitty's Diamond Dust glitter. I'm pretty sure this is called Diamond Dust. It's just like a clear holographic glitter. I'm using this to do my raw glitter nail, and I'm just turning the nail in every direction, and I'm tapping off the excess, and then I'm sticking that in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure it. And that's basically how you do a raw glitter nail if you don't know. And then I'm just doing the same thing on the pinky for the other hand, top coating it, and then pouring the glitter straight onto that uncured top coat layer, and then curing that for a total of 60 seconds. And then we don't waste around here, girl, so you know I put that glitter back in that jar, okay? And this is basically the final look of the nails. This is how they came out. What do you guys think? Do you like this style? Like I said, I was going for like girly, classy, about town, not too extra, but still want to get noticed vibes. I really hope that came through. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Now I'm just going in and I'm filing off that little piece at the tip that's always on these plastic nails. I don't do that until the end because, you know, I just feel like, what's the point of doing it at the beginning if I always file it at the end anyway, just to kind of reinforce that shape, you know? Anyway, I'm going in and I'm cleaning off the nails. I always do this, not only for sanitary purposes, but sometimes the blue tack that I use on my nail stand can kind of get stuck underneath the nail. See, like right there, I think I was trying to pull some out, and there was a lot stuck underneath that marble nail just because like the acetone kind of bled under it a little bit. So I did get all of it out though. I went in and I got all of it out. And yeah, I'm just cleaning the bottoms of the nails. Y'all, I'm so mad. I freaking lost the footage where I packaged these, where I actually put them onto my cardstock. I'm so annoyed that I was not filming at that time, but I'm going to show you how I packaged these nails. I showed you this once before, but I'm going to show you again. I use these little holographic Mylar bags and this butterfly glitter, just because it adds a cute little look. These are the instructions that I wrote up that come with every order of press-on nails from Diamond Dose Nails. By the way, sign up for email and get 30% off your first order today, girlfriend. That's a prep and apply kit. I always include one or two of those in my press-on nail orders. And these are just like some Valentine's Day doodads that I had left over, one of my business cards, a cuticle oil that I give out occasionally, and something a little special coming soon, girlfriend. Coming soon. Can't say too much right now, but yes, that is coming soon. And I always like to include little free gifts and stuff with my orders. And then I always handwrite thank you notes and place them in one of those bubble mailers. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again for 100 orders. Thank you again for being a loyal member of the Diva gang and tuning in for these videos every week. Y'all are some real ones. I love y'all. I wouldn't be nothing without y'all. And in the spirit of receiving my 100th order, I kind of just wanted to give you guys like a mini tour of my website, I guess. We're going down the homepage at this point, and all of my sets are handmade, customized, and reusable, made to suit the unique style of every diva. There is something for everyone, okay? When I started this brand, I realized how important it is as women to be able to slay yourself, but also to save your money. And my press-on nails are not only reusable, but they're also affordable. So click the link in the description and make sure you check them out. Make sure you join the gang and stay tuned for some future videos. Okay. Yes, girlfriend. I offer a variety of styles, shapes, lengths, all that good stuff. So if you got some time, make sure you go and check it out. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, and let me know what you thought of the sets, of the order. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace, Diva gang. Mwah.